The golden age is come, the winter storms are gone, flowers spread and bloom and smile to see the sun, who daily gilds the groves and calms the air and seas. Nature seems in love when all the world's in peace. Ye rogues, come saddle ball, I'll to Newmarket scour. You never mind when I call, you should have been ready this hour, for there are the sports and the games without any plotting of state, from treason or any such shame. Deliver us, O fate. Let's be to each other's a prey, to be cheated be everyone's lot, or chose any sort of a way, but by another plot. Let cullies that lose at a race go venture at hazard and win, and he that is bubbled and dies recover it at corking again. Let jades that are foundered be bought, let jockeys play crimp to make sport, for faith it was strange methought to see Tinker beat the court. Each corner of the town rings with perpetual noise. The oyster bawling clown joins in with hot pudding pies, who both in comfort keep to vend their stinking wares. The drowsy god of sleep has no dominion here. Here, boys, the jockeys roar. If mare and gelding run, I'll hold ye 5 guineas to 4. He'll beat her and give half a stone. God damn me, cries bully, 'tis done, or else I'm the son of a whore. Who would I could meet with the man, will offer it once more. Odds bows, cries my countryman John, was ever the like before seen. 5 hats and the feathers phaeton, I took them all for men, embroidered and fine as the sun, on horses and trappings of gold. Such a show shall I never see again, should I live to 100 years old. This is a country discourse, all wandering at the rare sight. Then Roger, go saddle my horse, for I will be there tonight.